let's see how to cook chana dal, which is nothing but garbanzo beans in instant pot. This will actually work for any legume. So let me show one variety of legume, and you can use this method to cook any type of legume, any type of dal. That is a dry dal which requires soaking before cooking. So this is just garbanzo beans. I'm soaking it overnight, 1 cup of it. 1 cup of it. Remember, this will double in size after it has soaked for overnight. So allow some room for it to grow in size. Let it soak for 8 hours, and I'll show you what to do after that. So it's been 8 hours. The chana, the garbanzo beans, has soaked and it doubled in size. Let me rinse this out. We'll be using instant pot to cook this today. Just rinsed it out, dump it in there. To this I am adding half a teaspoon of salt and just enough water to cover it. Let's put the lid on. Make sure this is sealed. In here we will be using pressure cooker mode on high for 15 minutes. Make sure you turn off the keep warm mode. We will be allowing this to release, we'll allow the pressure to release naturally on its own. So the instant pot is done. Let's check. Looks like it's all cooked. Usually there's this white thing, don't worry, just skim it. So perfectly cooked garbanzo beans. Show you. See, perfectly cooked. This can be used on salads, chana masala, or even as is. You can eat it as a side dish. It's full of protein, and it's I'll show you how to make items with this. So this is how you would cook any legume. Let me just transfer it to a bowl and show you. Perfectly cooked garbanzo beans. Another trick that I want to tell you is you can actually soak this overnight in the instant pot vessel itself and use delay start. So let's say we are cooking it for 15 minutes, right? Turn off the keep warm and put delay start and add 8 hours, and this will do its soaking, and by the time you come down in the morning it will be already cooked for you. So you can use this feature on your instant pot to try to make this. It's like you just make it in one pot and then use if there is, like, let's say there is a lot left like this, don't worry, strain it really well and store it in a container. It stays good for 2 to 3 days. I'll show you the items that we can make with this in separate videos. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking.